Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about gold. So gold seems to have bottomed here on, was it Tuesday? Might have been Tuesday. Yeah, I can't remember when I made the last video. Was it Tuesday? Was that Monday? Either way, we have been on this channel on high alert for a possible bottom in the metals, gold and silver. I issued you with a support area, a trend reversal area for gold. And it seems to have reversed now. Yeah, it seems to have reversed, and I wouldn't be surprised if over the coming weeks we are going to see a little bit of risk on mode in several asset classes, because we have seen, or we are currently seeing, a possible bottom in crypto. We have seen a possible bottom in nat gas. We might have a bottom in the S&P. I need to look into that. I try to do an S&P video tomorrow. But here, yeah, it could be we've bottomed. The reason could be we've bottomed is that we rallied here in what I counted as wave one, yeah, and we came down in this ABC structure. So at the moment, it means, we turned around in my trend reversal area. Anybody who entered here could, of course, move up their stop loss to break even though it might be a little early for that. We have on the lower time frame a possible 5-wave move to the upside. So we can count 5 waves to the upside on the lower time frame. If I go to the 1 hour chart of this low, which was made on Tuesday, we can count pretty clear 5-wave move actually, right? Off that low there, 1, 2. I mean, I can label that for you. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. It's pretty clear, no overlaps, is impulsive. Yeah. Certainly high probability, and then I would say this could count as a wave 1. This move down here, which was made on Thursday, could count as a wave 2, and we might now have started a third wave rally, 4 and 5 to come. Looking pretty good, everything according to plan at the moment. Now the condition for that would be, of course, that we hold Tuesday's low of 1811. So if we break down again, we still have space to go down all the way to 1694 if we really have to in the larger pivot. Okay, but for now, on the micro level here, we need to hold that 1811 low. Now this is one scenario. We have 5 waves up, we have a possible 3-wave move down, and we could now be rallying in the third wave. That third wave should take us to, and bear in mind we do micro counting here, that should take us to 1900 next week or the week after, probably next week. So if that happens, then happy days, and we probably have bottomed. Okay, so that's what the bears need to, what the bulls need to do, and then sort of that 1900 level would match quite well the previous B wave high, would be amazing, and that would be an obvious resistance anyway. So that's great. Alternatively, but this is getting less and less likely, but it's still possible, absolutely. We had this, let me think, alternatively. So alternatively, we might have something here, I'm just thinking, where we possibly rallied in a wave 1. This was only the A wave. We have an overshooting B wave and come down in C. So that means if we break down below the Thursday low next week, my first view would be that this was just an overshooting B wave and we drop down once more. But it has pretty good momentum to the upside. So it basically would mean, yes, wave 1 is where I've got it, but this was an A wave, B wave, and we come down in C. Now I'm thinking that the B wave for that actually is overshooting a little bit too much. Yeah, it's broken above the 1.38 fib retracement, so that's not really an option. It's rather unlikely that it's an overshooting B wave. So yeah, so the only other option, if we really break that Thursday low again, is that whatever's happening here would then be the wave 1. And we then come down in a wave 2. So condition is then still to hold Tuesday's low. Yeah, but that's what next week will bring. At the moment, I would assume that wave 1 is already in, and wave 2 also, and that we're already rallying in a third wave to 1900. But it's a bit too early to really confirm that, but it's starting to look really good. And let's see if we really have bottomed. Okay. Surely what could also be the case is that, but that is not what I follow primarily at the moment. This is sort of the bearish alternate, that all of this rally of the November lows was just corrective. Okay, so that we basically had here, that we had, let me just think. So yeah, that this was just an ABC to the upside and we get another 5-wave move down. And in this 5-wave move to the downside, I mean, this was a 3-wave move down only. So you could say this might have been a wave 1. This might have been a wave 2. This might have been a wave 3. This might be wave 4 and then 5. But this is now moving up quite a bit for a 4th wave. So basically 4th wave resistance. Let me put that onto the chart. So we've broken above that 50% retracement anyway. So yeah, it's starting to look, I mean, with that break, this is starting to look really good. Yeah. So again, as long as this Thursday low is holding, we can now focus on getting to 1900. I think we have a possible bottom in place for gold. It's a bit too early. We'd like to see what is happening on Monday, but the trend reversal area was there. And let's see if this is now playing out. And yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.